1.
Open Zerbu's mod constructor.
Find that in the description.
Call it something. Create mod. Python settings. Browse for your Python or download it. Update.
2.
Add element. Trait. Create element. Call it something. Describe it. Click the icon. Give it one or make one.
3.
Pick a category. Select who can have the trait. To add animals too, add component, restrictions, species, create, customize it.
Attention!
Loot means buff.
4.
Click open value element. Check your things. Add component, autonomy, commodities. Click plus. Select game ref. Select preset. Pick one. Add as many as you want. Now, add component, actions, loot on instance. Click the plus. Game ref. Select preset. Add one. Type hidden to search for hidden buffs. Add component. Reloot on add.
5.
Add component. Continuous loot. Click plus. Always active. Write something. Call it something. Type open brace 0.sim first name. Close brace. Now describe it. Give it an icon. Pick an emotion. Emotion weight means how strong it is. In test condition set, click plus. Open element value. Add component. Interactions. Interaction running. Tick test for not running. Click plus. Game ref. Select preset. Pick a reason for the mood not to run. If there's multiples, click the disk.
6.
Back to the main trait. Click plus. Continuous loot. Open value element. Add component. Buff actions. Add buffs. Participant. Actor. Write something. Call it something. Add open brace sim first name. Now describe it. Give it an icon. Add a mood. Edit these. Choose the chance % that it will show. In test condition, click plus. Open element value. Add component. Interactions. Running test. Select disk. Grab your traits. Done.
7.
Back on the main page, add component, actions, occasional events, plus wait time equals how frequently it will appear. Open value element. In occasional event, plus open value element, add component, buff actions, add buffs, actor, fill in the deets. In test condition, plus open element value. Add component. Interactions. Running test. Disk. Pick why the moodlet would run. Done. Back on the former page, in animation, select preset. Pick an animation. Done. Make as many as you like. Export package. Now, test it. Anyone can make traits now.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.